Hey guys! Oh, this will be a little bit of a comparison video. You know, a few days ago I picked this newish Avos 5550 with this, well, for me at least, new keyway that was made by Avos, which I think it's a very good idea because it's now a little quite well. In comparison with the old style keyway, which the bottom part was straight, this one is harder to pick, definitely. Also because Potty314 asked me about it, so I said that I will make another video, a comparison. Here's a small titanium 64 Ti30 that has very similar keyway, so it's again this type of curved keyway. So if you see, there are some slight differences here on the bottom part, but essentially it's pretty much the same keyway. Keys don't, of course, they're not the same, so the one from the titanium, it does not fit here, and vice versa. But both of them are new, and they are both not the easiest thing to pick, exactly because of this curvy keyway. So I will also try to pick this one for you guys. So I do hope that I will pick it quite faster. This one is, although it's only a 4-pin, it's not the easiest thing also. And for a pinner, it's a bit of a challenge, let's say. Exactly because of this curve on the keyway, actually, that's my complaint and my very deserved pat on the back on Avos. They made something fine, really nice. So who is here that is left? Come on, pin number 1, 2, 3. I think my pick is slipping off these pins. This is well, no, please don't laugh, but I actually cannot easily pick this lock. That's my incompetence showing. Okay, there we go. Managed to open it now. Okay, so as I said, because of these curves on these newish branches of the Avos course, these are quite better than the old with the straight bar. So guys, thanks for watching and keep it legal. Cheers guys.